This is a look at what's inside the Star Wars Armada Corellian Conflict campaign expansion from Fantasy Flight Games. This is an expansion that adds a campaign mode to the game and some additional cards, which a lot of people I think just get it for the cards. But you know, if you're looking to play a campaign, it comes with a campaign guide, which I guess has probably some scenarios. Yeah, so a bunch of scenarios. We have a different team rosters. Those are, I guess, a fold out a sector map where it has, I guess, different things that you get. I don't know what these are. These are stickers probably for the campaign. And we have, oh, this is cool. They have the punch outs for the station and that, as well as some tokens and the cards. So let's see what we get in here. So there are objective cards, which are probably not that interesting, but there are new cards for squadrons. So we have the Black Squadron, Valen Rudor, Tempest Squadron, Zerdek Strom, Saber Squadron, Sienna Ree, Gamma Squadron, Captain Jonas, Rogue Squadron, Biggs Darklighter, Gold Squadron, Nora Wexley, Green Squadron, Shara Bay, Dagger Squadron, Thumb Numb, or Tin Numb. And then I guess these are new station cards. So there's unarmed station and armed station cards. So I'm assuming you can control stations in a scenario. And we'll just quickly go through these. I'm not going to talk about them, but if you want to see the different, I think these are objective cards. Yeah. So there you have it. That is what's inside the Corellian Conflict campaign expansion for Star Wars Armada. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe, and also take a look at our other videos. Thank you.